Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies. We are here today to actually walk through a dry blast machine using glass bead. We're going to blast this and clean it up and see if we can't get it back to looking like it did when it originally came out. So with that being said, let's go put it in our VH1000 with glass bead and see what we can do. Okay, so we're back. We just concentrated on this area right here, but as you can see from what we had here with all the rust, this is completely cleaned back up. Looks like it did when it came out of the factory. It's gonna take a few minutes to get the whole part done, but I wanted you to see what the finished result looks like. This surface finishing with glass bead and a dry blast cabinet, it works really well, but as far as giving a very smooth or glossy finish, our wet blast actually works a little bit better with that. So glass bead in a wet blast cabinet probably wouldn't be aggressive enough for this piece. You would want to hit it with something a little more aggressive first, and then go back and kind of polish it with glass bead in a wet blast cabinet. But in our dry blast cabinet, it actually is a one and done type situation. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.